Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about studio monitors, and more specifically we're going to go ahead and talk about, can you use studio monitors as speakers? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with studio monitors, it's kind of a complicated question to answer, especially for a regular Joe like me. Be sure to go back and watch my other videos that explain a little bit more about the meaning of studio monitors. But one question that comes up pretty often, since KRK was nice enough to send studio monitors out for us to test out, is can you use studio monitors as speakers? And the short answer is yes, absolutely. In fact, since I received these studio monitors in the mail from KRK, that's exactly what I've been using them for. So I'm not a sound engineer and I'm not a music professional, but I do like to listen to good music. And with these studio monitors, they are set up a little bit different than speakers. As you can see in the back here, you can't just plug and play and listen to them. You do have to get a special adapter. Be sure to check the video description. I'll leave a link to my other video that describes how to set these up, studio monitors up to your laptop. But once you get that up and running, then yeah, absolutely, you can use these to listen to music and you can use them as speakers. In fact, each one of these studio monitors, they're powered, and that's one of the core differences between a studio monitor and a speaker, is they do not share a power source. So each individual studio monitor has this little plug-in right here. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit further. It says that it's an AC 100 right there. And with that, what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into an outlet. So I guess one of the downfalls for studio monitors is you have to have a lot of outlets. So if you live in an older apartment building like I do, it can be a little bit of a problem. You can see right there I have a lot of different things plugged into one outlet. But once you overcome that, and then the adapter that is used to plug these in to your laptop, then yeah, absolutely, you can use these as speakers. Now, the nice thing about using studio monitors, or at least the KRK studio monitors as speakers, is because they have their own individual power source, the sound is great. As you can see, I have these set up over here on the wall. Be sure to go back and watch my other video about placing studio monitors next to a wall. But because they are close to the wall and they are so powerful, a lot of times I can hear things rattling. So for example, this little lamp that I have next to my studio monitors, they do rattle once I get it up and going. Also, another thing is that because they're so powerful, sometimes the neighbors will complain. So kind of keep that in mind if you are thinking about using studio monitors as a speaker. But what about you? What's your experience if you happen to be a music professional and you're watching this video? Do you use your studio monitors as a speaker to listen to music as well? Be sure to leave a comment, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.